Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Yep.
Upo na ako, Kuya Gab.
Kaya Gab, upo doon mo kung si Ash. Sin.
Upo na ako.
Den.
Bakal.
Oo nga, Den nga.
Pangit manyaga si Ashley.
Tag na.
Kuya Gab, dalian. Lapot bulo na. Kuya Gab,
Kuya Gab.
dalian na. Kuya Gab, dalian na.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Gab! Sa'yo mo na yung tumabaho.
Kuya Gab.
Thank you for watching. Natarong na ka mo.
Hey, bakit pa ako? Cookies. Kuya Gab, ba't ka na napano ako?
Is that yes, Ashley? Ashley! Ashley, come here. Say hi. 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 Say hi. So beautiful, Ash. Gab. Yes, she says like, Gab, ano mo na si, Gabriel. Hello. Hoy, hello daw, Ash. May naghilo dito. Hello, Tita Tia.
Study ako po dito.
Gab, bupudan mo na si Ash. Bak na daw siya. Kaya di ka mabakal. Di ka mabakal. Tanini? Ha? Wala niyo lang magamaram ka na mag... Nagbakal ka nga sa diyo. Sato na. Di bugod natin. Mudong ko ikaw dito. Bait. Mudong ko ikaw dito. Walang mangyayari sa'yo dyan.
Wala kayo man siya nga man nakabakal.
Kaya nga. Beautiful Ashley. Yes, like Tita. Like auntie. Tita mommy. Like me. Charot. Ayun. It's going outside. Gab don't like to buy with hair. That's why it's okay. You go to buy. I will see you from here. Gusto kong sumbong. The window open, yes. The window open. I look for her. I watch her from here. Gab don't want to go with the stores to buy. Gusto ko. Thank you for the thumbs up. Babang, come here na. Ano binakal mo? Wow, yummy. Right, good excuse to look out for. Them? What the heck? No handsome outside. Excuse me. Look. Malaki na. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Zizel, Vlog Hong Kong. Hi, good evening po. Good evening, Zizel. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na ako. Thank you so much. Salamat sa thumbs up, Zizel. Thank you, Zizel. Thank you, Zizel. Vlog Hong Kong. Super. Support. Thank you. Pagod na ako. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Jacket dyan. Team, someone wants jacket. Wow, you have more likes than you have in the room. Then, yeah. Maybe I need to go outside. No, Zizi. Why?
Papansinon ka? Papansin ko yung sige ah. Papansin ah.
You know why? Don't you know my name? Charot. Just kidding. Thank you so much for the thumbs like and for watching.
Ano sabi?
Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na ako.
Tawa, ano ulit? Tawa.
Hi, thank you for 4 million. Hi, Green Mix Adventure TV. Gandang gabi, Tisha. Gandang gabi, Greg. Mix and Adventures TV. Hello. Why we give him a jacket? It is first. Oh my god. Okay, fine. No need to say that. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na ako. Thank you for watching. Gano'n ka na, Gab?
Aray ko po, sakit ko yung
Ko na yatang
hindi rin ganun.
What are you doing, Kim? Still eating?
Kita niya ako, Tino, kita niya.
Why are you what are you doing? What are you doing? Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Bang 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 bang.
Oh, masig.
Tila bang bang. Tila bang bang. Ding 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 dang.
Hindi na karaya.
Vending machine proves that Japan is living in 2050.
I'm not sure. Maybe I will do that. Why? Why do you do that? I'm not. No, I'm just watching. Okay. So, maybe I will do live. Oh my god. Where? Here? On YouTube? You do live? Come on, guys. Chat with us. Come on with the lazy heart. Come on. I know that you want me. I wish I never made one day I live. I put it down to
Every time this owner has to name his dog, Papa always goes, I got 100.
Hi, Ricky Alves. Boom pa naman. Good night. Thank you. Good evening here in the Philippines. Good morning there.
Ito mo na to, oh.
I'm Ricky Alves. Good morning to
Ang
you.
langit dito sa amin. Bulere.
I can't even sleep with my
Ay,
brains
sa'yo.
out.
Yung 4:38 a.m. Red. Oo. Dami ko sa bayan.
Inigo.
Wala yun.
We belong each other's side.
Langit lang.
Para top, para.
Mama.
Parang filter lang.
Dim sum.
Ito.
Nano ka na naman.
Silakwa.
Akala mo hindi kita.
Ito.
Pagliwang ka ba doon kapag pagturog mo? Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, William. Thank you. Hello, my beautiful friend. Hi. Thank you for watching. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up, sa nanonood, sa silent viewers. Thank you so much. Slowly but surely.
Mabukang na naman. Mabukang. Ikaw ko sa kanya, wala. Pangit ko dyan. Alisin mo na.
Come on. Walang sasabihin. Manonood lang. Walang sasabihin. Paluwayan ng tabi ka. Oo.
Iyo.
Okay.
Oops, kitty, whoops, kitty, whoops. Every time I see you. Whoops, kitty. Sino ba ang kawapat na pa?
Ayan po.
Antok na ako. Oh my God. Parawaya, Gab. Paluwayo. Ayuyag mo. Nano nga? Nano yan? Di ka nag-uyag ka, di Mara? Ano nga yun? Ha? Di ba may ano yun? May pangaran?
Ikaw, umigong mamaya.
Guys, Chachi is getting bored. Yeah. What's your breakfast then?
Ano, pumasok pa nag-iim.
What is your breakfast? You already know. Burger?
Amen.
Burger for breakfast. Never you know what I ate for breakfast. I know burger, but maybe what if you want some another food like
Wait ka na.
aside from burger, like here in the Philippines, sometimes bread, sometimes rice, sometimes biscuit, sometimes pandesal, something like that. Not always burger for breakfast. Burger lang talaga. Wala na iba. Boring. So, nadungkad na. Turog na. Gab. Gab. Mais, wag ka lang. Wait lang. Mais, wag. Dito ka sa unahan. Kaya buko sa electric fan. I don't like. I will cook burgers when I'm here. Okay, wow. Thank you. You cook for me. I'm getting good at English in a few months. I'm going to Asia to find a girlfriend. How old are you, Enrique Alves? How old are you? Bumbalaga sundi na, bumbalaga sundi. Good, Enrique, you will find one. Yeah, you will find one, Enrique. How old are you, Enrique? Maglimang ka pa, Dogal.
Tama na.
Gab. Gab.
Sobrang pula. Ang pula naman ito.
Laka.
Hindi. Wala po na grabe.
Swag. Ouch. Okay, Gab. Huh? Just be careful. There are a lot of scammers, so be careful. Susan. Scammer here in the Philippines. Tim? Scammer Filipina? What?
Bang, patay.
Yes, me. The experience before.
Pangit man son.
Experience is the best teacher. Yes, so many.
Iko.
Ow. Kalamig. Malamig man ang electric pan, Gab.
Init.
Wow, many times. So you have a lot of Filipino. That's why. You have a lot of Filipino for
Loko.
Patay ko na pag ito.
Ito.
oh my god, Filipino are scammers. My god. I feel so shame. My god.
Wow na kayo. Ito ba yan?
I was stupid when I started
Ito.
to people there and I believed it. Oh my god, you believe that? That's why you overthink of me because you think I'm like them. Oh my god. I'm still young, 25 years old. Oh my god. Ricky Alves is still young. Still young, Enrique. So young. So young and beautiful. Stay young. Stay single. You will be no regrets. Stay single, no regret. I was stupid when I started. Pamantabi ko yung dito tissue tabi, okay lang. Pamantabi ito yung tissue dito na ito.
Hindi, iyo.
Ito na. Tung. Yes, they would tell me they need money. for their sick grandmother. But the grandmother was already dead, so it was a scam. Yes, it's a scam. Oh my god. This is scam. You believe him because you love her. That's why. When you recognize that, when you notice that she lies, when you notice that she lies, you feel unloved. But then I thought, oh, I wouldn't send anymore. Yeah, that's why. No, I didn't love anyone there. Oh, why you send money? Why you send her money? Hello, Jen. Hi, Jen. Hello from Australia. Hi, John from Australia. Hello. How are you, John? Welcome back here. I thought they really need the help. That's why. Ah, okay. Are you trying to help, but this they doing scam? You're trying to help. Maybe you're trying to help because you the attention of the woman. Maybe that's why the way it feels. You getting like her or you getting love. I'm good, Cheryl. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm pretty good. Pretty good.
Nakita ako sa'yo.
You look fine. Yes, I'm fine.
Ito sa'yo.
Oh, then when I find the truth, never chat them again. Oh, that's good. Oh my god. Thank you, Tim. And thank you, you find me. My gosh. Very fine. That's good, John. Thank you for the thumbs up. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. So be nice and don't lie, or you couldn't be nice. Oh my god. I told you. I told you, Tim. If you know me more, I love your smile. Thank you, John. You know my mom. I have a father here. And my son. I have a one son. I have nothing else. One. My niece, my nephew, my sisters, my brother. You know the my friends. I'm not with my friends since we talk a lot. Yeah, no friends now. I mean, I have a friends, but no bonding like before. Before, like almost a night, we we bond together, my batchmate. But I only see mom only one time. You know what? My mom is always not here because he's a senior citizen here, senior citizen vice president here in our barangay. So BC also is she's um, uh, part of uh, the church here. She's always the church. Even early morning, she's not here. When I wake up, oh my God, she's not here. When she come back here, she's sleeping. She is sleeping busy. Husband, husband, what husband? What husband? What do you mean, John? No, she's not married, John. Oh no, I'm not married. Sorry. I want to be married. I want to get married. Please. Please give me a ring. Do you have husband or partner? I have a partner, no husband. I have a boyfriend, but not yet husband. Not yet married. Oh, I'm not married. Oh my god, I want to be married. No. Oh, charot. Kunin mo na ako. Ayoko na dito. Partner means lesbian. Lesbian? No, it doesn't. Ah. Ano, John? Are you married, John? Maybe he means boyfriend. Yeah, I have boyfriend. Yeah. It does in USA. Ah, okay. Partner in USA is like a lesbian. Boyfriend like a fiance. Boyfriend, something like that. In in Filipino, if having a boyfriend, something like that, partner, having a jowa, shota, nobyo, something like that. Partner means here is same sex. Ah, okay, relationship. Oh, that's why I understand now. Different meaning here. Partner is like mm, husband and wife, something like that, because they are partner in life. Or boyfriend and girlfriend. Aray, ouch. Aray, my God. Yes, I understand. Okay, no, I'm not married and don't have a girlfriend. Why? Why you don't have a girlfriend, John? How old are you? Maybe you're still young. That's why you're young, John. Oh, you're still young. Oh my God. Ah, you're still young. John, you're still young. 28 years old. Yeah, it's fine. Enjoy your life. Stay single. Save money for the future. And then when you find your uh, When you find you're a woman, oh my God, you can everything. You can everything for her. Oh my gosh, she's so lucky. Jan, where are you from? Australia. Jan is from Australia. Not as young as you. Yep. Not why do you mean, John? Not as young as you? As me? Yes. John, you need to save money if you get a Filipino. She will want a lot of stuff. Yes, me, John, you know what? Me, I want a phone. I need a home, my dream home. I want scooter. I want I want something stuff like furnitures in home. What else? Beautiful cabinets, beautiful clothes. Yeah, all women want. Yes, she wants a baby. I want a baby. Yes, Shirley is old. She is 40. Yes, I'm 40 years old. I'm old now.
Kasi hindi ako sa'yo. Wait lang. Bakit lang ako?
All woman wants stuff. That's why I am single. Ah,
Ka ng ano?
stay single, John.
Tapos natin dalawa.
But if you meet a truly love you, genuine woman, uh, they will understand what you have.
Hey, Trace.
Okay.
Hey.
But it's much better. You can everything for your woman because it's agagab. Oh, sarap na. She is 40. How old are you? Yes, 40. I'm 40 years old, John. I'm old. Wow. Why wow? Why wow? I'm old. That's why wow. Right? Not you funny, John. Aray. God, may arthritis na akong kukurulong lang si Koy. Shall stay awake. Yeah, I'm still awake. I feel hurts my joint. Maybe. Because he said before that he was older than you. Because before that older than me? What? Mm-mm. I'm 40 years old. Oh my god, you look about 22. Thank you, John. Less 8 years old. Yeah, he is say that because he didn't know your age. Okay. Huh?
Tagal. Tagal na. Tagal na pala no. Ay, bahala ka.
A lot think she is in her 20s. Ah, because I'm small, I'm thin, maybe. In real life, I'm small. I look like this. It looks like gone because I'm small. That's why. Beautiful smile. Thank you, John. Have a nice day to you, guys. I feel sleepy. In real life, you're 40. Yes, I'm 45 in real life. I feel sleepy now. See you next. See you tomorrow. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye. 41, that's what your birth certificate says. Ouch. No, I'm not 41. I'm 35. Oh, God. Thank you, John. See you later. See you next live. Bye bye. Bye, my team. Love you all. Bye.